The Inberg Company installs lawn sod in home yards. The company's most recent contribution format income statement follows. Compute the company's degree of operating leverage. Then, using the degree of operating leverage, estimate the impact on net income of a 5% increase in sales. Then we'll verify our estimate by preparing a new contribution margin income statement. Our contribution margin, we're told, is $48,000, and our net operating income is given as $10,000. This means our degree of operating leverage is 4.8, which is our $48,000 contribution margin divided by our current net operating income. To determine the impact of our increase in sales, we'll take our degree of operating leverage of 4.8 and multiply it by a percentage increase in sales, which we're told is 5%. This means a 5% increase in sales will result in a 24% increase in net operating income. We calculate this by simply taking our 4.8 degree of operating leverage and multiplying it by the 5% increase in sales. We can confirm this by preparing a contribution margin format income statement. Let's begin by picking up our sales and our variable expenses and our contribution margin as a percentage of sales. Sales we were given as 100%. Our variable expenses as a percentage of sales are given as 40%, which gives us our contribution margin of 60%. All right, a 5% increase in sales will cause sales to increase from $80,000 to $84,000. This is the current sales of $80,000 plus a 5% increase of $4,000. Our variable expenses will also increase by 5%. We can calculate our variable expenses by taking our $84,000 in sales and multiplying it by our 40% expense ratio, and we get $33,600. This means our contribution margin is going to be $50,400. Our fixed expenses are given and remain constant at $38,000, which means our net operating income will increase to $12,400. This is our contribution margin minus our fixed expenses. And our original net operating income was $10,000, and a 24% increase would indeed increase it to $12,400.